Day 8 Kids 10 Lines Essay on Coconut Tree. Every year, September 2 is celebrated as a World Coconut Day. The coconut tree is the most useful tree. It is also referred to as a tree of existence. This plays an important role in human life. Its top is around 80 feet. It can be grown from sandy soil. It is a type of either a fruit or a nut or a seed. Its each part has a use and can employ lots of things. The coconut tree has several advantages including business and health benefits. The coconut tree is the source of life for many human beings. They are depending on it to survive in their life. It can be eaten either uncooked or cooked. It has countless benefits and uses. It is a splendid present from nature. A short essay about coconut tree. Every year, September 2 is widely known as an International Coconut Day in various coconut growing locations under the control of the Coconut Development Board. There are over billions of coconut produced throughout the world. Introduction of the coconut tree. The coconut tree is one of the most beneficial timbers within the global. It is utilized in our daily life. The elements of the coconut tree can be used for numerous purposes, consisting of coconut oil, food, drink, and coconut leaves can be used refuge, which include roofing materials. It may also use for lots of different functions, including toys, cosmetics, and decorations. Coconut. Coconut is rich in vitamins, minerals, and low in carbs. It is able to balance our blood sugar level as normal. Coconut is important in the kitchen, which used for all kinds of dishes. It allows to reduce the stomach fats even though it is wealthy in fat. It can be eaten either uncooked or cooked. Coconut water. Fresh coconut water is the healthiest and tastiest natural drink as opposed to different beverages. It has a huge variety of vitamins which moisturize the skin as natural appearance. It reduces the premature appearance of getting old skin. It helps to remedy the indigestion and increases the general stomach fitness. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is the nutritional drink that can be easily available in the home. It is able to be equally as compared to the mom's milk, which promotes the fitness of the bone, immunity level, and brain improvement. It reduces the hair loss and improves the hair boom and also eliminates dandruff. Coconut oil. Coconut oil can be used for growing healthy hair, glowing skin, and cavity-free tooth. It may be also advertised as a natural food. It could be boost the heart fitness and brain function. Coconut leaves. Coconut leaves are used as roof in preference to concrete and make the use of basket and brooms. They are used for burst to cook on the wooden stove. Coconut roots. Coconut roots are used to make toothbrushes, toothpicks, and dyes. Coconut tree trunks. Coconut tree trunks may be used as wood to make the building, furniture, resistant, drums, boats, and for many other purposes. Coconut husk and shell. The coconut husks are used for cleaning the vessels and for making cosmetics. The coconut shells are used for many handicraft gadgets and musical instruments to make sound effects. Conclusion. All elements of the coconut tree can be used. It is the present from God to human. Nothing can be replaced the coconut tree to make use of the daily life. And also it can be considered as the outstanding introduction from the nature. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.